flour,
sorry.
sugar, sour cream, lemon zest, and milk, and lemon juice.
I think it might be.
It's under $7 to make one of those cakes. I'm not joking.
Ooh, this is a lot of sugar. For all of these. They're so cute. Thank you.
Alright guys, go ahead.
Wake the cake, we're finding new ways to use AI to like cook and stuff. Yeah. Our ideas are, well, what makes it unique? We're using the rest of our work hours to just be an average 9 to 5 work days. And some more ideas so that we're going to develop more delicious recipes using AI and expand the creativity of the recipes.
Alright, so here's the marketing. Our target audience is going to be people who want some caffeine in the morning, get them awake, but maybe they don't really like coffee, so they can instead enjoy it as a delicious cake. Our location is currently in Westerville, Ohio, and we would get some attention through platforms on social media.
So it would cost like almost $100,000 for a food truck, which we'd probably just put in like public area. We need a generator for the food truck, which is $800, and the price to make one cake is $12.56.
That's a cake double the size of the one you gave me.
Okay. The price to make one slice of cake is 80 cents. We will have to take out a $100,000 loan to afford the truck and the generator, as well as the cost to make all the cakes. And the total amount to be paid at 7% interest rate for 12 months is $103,832.04. We would charge $2.50 for a slice of it, and we would have to sell around $41,000 of pieces to pay back the loan in 1 year. We would hope to sell $3,500 a month to reach our goal of $41,000 in 1 year.
Okay.
Like what I make it? Like what did you just ask for a recipe? And oh, a coffee cake recipe, and that's what it is. Okay. Okay.
What kind of coffee? Ooh, I can taste the coffee.
Hey, good afternoon. So I'm Bayla. Emma had something she had to do, so she can't be here today. So I'm representing. So we do Sprinkles Bakery. And if you ever come to see, we have our own matching aprons we cook in. And so we are committed to a dairy-free, peanut-free experience. All right, so we don't have any fish because they're cupcakes. Also, no sesame because we're not doing sesame buns. Yes, we do that. So like I said, there is dairy substitutes in here, no actual dairy. Areas and situations, and our cupcakes are what you need to help you. Not very much to start up. The website will be almost free, so $5 to $10 a month. The equipment cost will be $165, including everything you could possibly need and more. And the labor costs and the cupcake liners.
Judges, I hope you enjoy all of their tasty goods.
I'm Eli.
I'm Jackson.
Our product.
One for
Oh my god. So we made an advertisement that we could put around this.
Paying the loan. To pay off our $17,000 loan in one season, you'll need to sell 476 cookies per day. $10 per cookie without any extra taxes and stuff. We'll have around 17,350 cookies. So we make $36,362